Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 7th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Saturday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here in the tropical Atlantic. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the fire weather elevated risk for where it's located at today. And also, we're going to take a look at the tropical weather page. And we got a system that has a 70% of tropical development over the next 7 days in the tropical Atlantic. Alright, if you're a new viewer that have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing once again. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, as you can see here, the tropical Atlantic is pretty well lit up with a lot of tropical activity, but this is a tropical wave that has a 70% chance of development over the next 7 days. And I have not marked it as an invest yet, but should become an invest probably in the next day or two as we roll forward. We got a cold front extending from the northeastern tropical Atlantic all the way back into portions of the central Atlantic. This is the remnants of Philippe moving into portions of Maine and the northeastern U.S. Cold front extending all the way down into portions of Texas and northern Mexico. Also, we got a few little tropical waves over South America, down in the Caribbean Sea, and also over just west of Central America as well. Alrighty, and also we have Lydia over there as well in the Eastern Pacific. Alright, move on to the weather radar now. As you can see here, we got some shower activity up here in Montreal, down toward New York City, down just east of Washington, D.C., down to eastern North Carolina. Same in the coastal waters, just east of Boston. Boston, you're getting a little bit of shower activity, also in the Maine, also toward New Brunswick, and also in the Nova Scotia region as well. Scattered activity over in portions of Pennsylvania, back in Ohio, and also in the Michigan, also in the lake, around Lake Superior, also in northern Wisconsin, also in Minnesota as well, a little bit in North Dakota also, with a little bit of shower activity. Alright, you can see we got a little bit of shower activity down across South Texas, just northeast of Metairie, Mexico, that is, excuse me. Some in the Gulf of Mexico, also in the western areas of in the Gulf of Mexico as well, over near Tampa, and also Central Florida, gets some scattered activity, and a little bit of activity over just north of Havana, Cuba. Alright. Let's move on to the occasion. Alright, you can see here we got some wind advisory, flood watches in effect for you guys here in portions of Maine. Also some flood warnings also in effect. Flood advisories also in effect for portions of New York State, down to a portion of the Rhode Island area, New Jersey vicinity. Storm warning, gale warning extended from Maine all the way down to the east coast of Florida. Same for the Big Bend area of Florida all the way over to southeast Texas. Also over here in the coastal waters. Also we have a gale watch in effect for portions of Oregon and Washington State along coastal areas. We also have heat advisories along coastal areas of California. Also red flag warnings also in effect for Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, also in the Georgia, Panhandle, Florida. Special weather statement for South Carolina and Georgia. Elevated risk for fire weather in that area. We'll get to that in just a moment. Frosted in South Carolina, but that could be on Sunday morning. So tonight, or not tonight, maybe Monday morning. There could be some outlying areas, maybe in northern portion of South Carolina, may have some scattered frost. May have to mention that again in future forecasts as well on my Facebook page as well. All right, elevated risk of fire weather this afternoon should be across Louisiana into the Carolinas. Yeah, from Louisiana all the way into South Carolina. That's why you see the red flag warnings in effect for Louisiana all the way into Georgia. The special weather statement for ports of South Carolina. Would not be surprised to see maybe some red flag warnings may be issued further east into South Carolina later on. So just see on the forecast page from the Greenville-Spartanburg Weather Office or the Columbia, South Carolina Weather Office, a red flag warning may be issued. All right. Tropical weather page. We should be coming up. Didn't get a chance to show it yesterday. My computer was messing up. This system has a 20% over the next 48 hours. Right now, this is a 7-day forecast. Has a 70% of development in this red area here. It do look like it will become Tropical Storm Sean later on down the road. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. Would not be surprised to see something spin up in the Gulf of Mexico maybe sometime, maybe next week or maybe the week after that, and may affect the southeastern United States. Also, some of that moisture from Lydia, it's over in the Eastern Pacific, will get pulled into the jet stream going across the southern portion of the United States and pull some of that moisture into portions of the south and southeastern United States later on down the road. So just be prepared. Maybe towards late next week, maybe in the next weekend, could be a little wet across the southeastern United States. In fact, that would be good news because we do need some rain. It's been over 2 weeks of rain. We have not had no rainfall in South Carolina, so hopefully we'll get some rain here soon. But anyway, hope everybody has a wonderful Saturday afternoon. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Take care. Also, like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday afternoon, folks. Sorry about the short video, but there's not really much to discuss in the video today. So we'll talk to you later. Have a great afternoon, folks.